3 tips for improving your preventive maintenance program. Number 1. Take stock of the current program. Prior to implementing any new facility management and capital planning software, it is essential that your team evaluate the current preventive maintenance program. Take stock of its strengths and weaknesses to determine your organization's most pressing needs. Some of the factors to consider include preventive maintenance and work procedures and maintenance costs. Number 2. Plan, measure, and track. It is essential to develop these performance measures for your preventative maintenance program. Focus on measuring the amount of preventative maintenance work completed versus all other work. Ideally, the hours spent on preventative maintenance should be the highest percentage of all the department's maintenance work. Number 3. Be data-driven. Integrate tools into your program to obtain accurate data from your physical assets. This collected data can be stored and analyzed in your CMMS within the context of all other available information, and can deliver powerful insights. Data is key in helping facility managers determine the best approach to motivating supervisors and technicians to stay on track with a high-functioning preventative maintenance program.